Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil, part of Boggle Socks TV. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a
frog. Rabbit.
If you enjoy our tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell button if you'd like to receive notifications. Should we get started?
Yeah.
Let's begin. So first of all, let's get a light green.
Light green.
Like this, yeah?
Like a minty.
Yeah, like a minty green, okay? And to get the shape of the body, what we're going to do is we're going to put a dot here in the middle of the page up, like 4/5 of the way up the page. Yeah, like that, okay? And then imagine like a pyramid. So I'm going to put a dot there.
The frogs are pyramids.
And up there, okay?
Like
and these are going to be guides, yeah? And then just in, I'm going to do just in, but at a diagonal, I'm going to do a dot here and a dot here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that.
Looks a bit like a boat or octagon.
Yeah, a bit like a, is it an octagon? No, a bit like a boat. There's a boat is a good way of describing it. Okay,
Mine
ready?
looks a bit small.
Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to join these up like this.
Yep, definitely a boat.
Okay. And this is going to give us the shape of the frog's body. Okay.
Like that.
Fantastic. Now either side, about here and here, we're going to do the eyes. So with the light mint green, I'm going to draw a big circle that side. And
So the eyes can pop out of the water.
Exactly, so their eyes can pop out of the water.
Oh gosh.
Yeah? No, that's great. That's really good. Okay. And then just, I'm going to make that line a little bit thicker. Yeah, so that
It's a
there's
bit like
more skin.
owls.
Yeah, a bit like an owl's eyes.
But not owls because they're not birds or have wings.
Yeah. Okay, so we got that first bit done.
Right, I need to do the other one.
Right.
That.
Okay, so for the frog's nose, see where that curve is?
I already have a
here?
little nose.
You've already got a little bit of nose from the dot. So see that curve there? I'm going to loop it round until it touches there.
Oh, a moustache.
Almost like a moustache. That's a really good idea.
Maybe a frog who's a dad.
Yeah, it could be a dad frog, couldn't it? Okay.
Hello, professional.
Professor Frog. Yeah.
Rabbit professor.
And on this side, we're going to do the same thing on that side. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
looks
then I'm
like
going to
it.
colour it in.
Okay, now it's a professor moustache face.
Okay. So that's the start of the frog's face. Okay. So these two lines here, this is going to be his front legs. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a diagonal line that way and a diagonal line that way. You looking?
Yeah.
Okay.
It does not look like a frog.
Well, yeah, but give it time. Okay, so I'm going to do a straight line
I know.
there
Give the
and a straight line there.
Give the frog time to be born.
Yeah, give him time to be born.
It's gonna be born because it's like drawn born.
Yeah, drawn born, that rhymes. Yeah.
No, but
Let's do another.
He's drawing to be born.
Yeah, let's do another line here, like that.
He looks
Another
spooky
line like
because
that.
of his eyes.
Yeah, but once we put the dots in his eyes, it's going to look a bit more friendly, isn't it? Okay. And then
a smile.
I'm going to do little circles here.
Like blobs.
Yeah, for the toes.
Like the thing.
Okay.
Wait, can I colour them?
Yeah, just go like that.
Like bubbles.
Now, just up from these toes, along
These are
there,
done by
like
accident.
that. Yep, along there, like that. I'm going to, oh, drop my pen there. I'm going to draw a straight line.
From here to there.
Look, so from about there and there.
Mine
I'm
is
going
a
to make
baby
it
frog.
go
Mine is a...
all
Oh wait.
the way
Are you
across
meant
like
to
that.
do that bit?
Yeah, okay.
Right. Do I have to do that bit?
You do a straight line because that's going to be the back legs, okay? But it's got to be up from the front legs. Okay? And then I'm going to do a diagonal line like that. A diagonal line like that. You got that? And then I'm going to do another diagonal line that way.
Those
And
are
another
like the
diagonal line
feet
that way.
that get ready to jump.
That's right, their feet are getting ready to jump. And then I'm going to do some more circles here and here.
Can I do big
These
ones?
toes, yeah, big ones, yeah. Okay, like that.
Oh. A big one.
Now they've kind of got webbing in between there.
A bit like spiders.
Yeah, so
A
like the
bit
spider.
like ducks and like.
Yeah, so I'm going to do a little bit there and a little bit there.
Like that. We already know that.
Like a curve and a curve.
We know.
Well, you do because you have been doing a lot of drawing, haven't you? For the viewers, this might be the first tutorial they've watched. Okay. Okay, so for the back legs, so he looks like he's going to jump.
What about his eyes?
Well, should we do the eyes first?
No.
Or should we do the back legs? What do you reckon?
Back legs.
Okay, let's do the back legs. Okay, so here, I'm going to do a curve like that.
There.
And then I'm going to do a curve like that, and it's going to be slightly up from those corners
Like
there,
that?
like that.
Like that.
That's good, yeah? And then I'm going to do a curve, you watching, from here to there like that.
Oh, okay, now I know what it is.
And then I'm going to do a curve from there to there like that.
Yep, now I know what it
Okay,
is.
yeah, so now he looks like he's sitting down and he's ready to jump, doesn't he? Okay. Now I'm just going to do another little curve in here for like this part, the inside of his
Like
arm.
your vein?
Just the inside, you see how like the
Yeah.
elbow, yeah?
For you to move, because then that's the end of your bone.
Yeah, exactly. Right, so we'll do a curve in there and a curve in
Wait, do
there.
frogs
like
have
that.
bones? Because it's a bit like bugs, because when you smash a bug, it's...
Yeah, they have exoskeletons. No, but frogs do have bones. They have bones on the inside.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, so should we do the eyes then? Yeah?
Yeah, now
Okay.
it's not going to look creepy.
Okay, so let's do a black circle in the middle.
Do we colour it in?
Let's do a little bit of a reflection. Like that, so we leave like a little gap, like that, and like that. And let's do a line there and a line there for the corners of his eyes.
Are they born with that kind of eyes?
I think they are because they start off as tadpoles and they've got the same looking eyes when
We
they're
had
tadpoles.
tadpoles in my school.
Did you?
Yeah, they made like a tadpole. Wait, can I make it connecting to there?
What, into the corner?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on. Drag it all the way up. That looks great.
Now the smile.
Okay.
What about
Now
smile?
we've got to do a smile.
It looks a bit like Pokemon.
It does look a bit like a Pokemon ball, Pokeball, doesn't it? Right, let's do a big smile like that.
Oh, the peach colour.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a happy face.
Right, do you want his mouth open? Okay, so let's do another curve. Like
Hey, mine's
that.
going to look
Yeah?
happier. Mine's going to look happy.
Okay, so you make your smile even bigger. Okay, and then let's fill that in with
Can I
that
make
colour.
like
Yeah.
I want to make it.
Okay. Oh, you've already done the tongue. So I was going to do it in a darker colour here. So I'm going to do a darker line like that. And then do another little darker line in there and there so it looks like you can see his tongue.
I want to do the...
Yeah? No, that's great. No, that's really good. Okay. So now we've got the body shape.
Can we colour it in?
I think it's time for us to colour it in. Wow, Yuli, that is an amazing drawing. Give me a high five. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and if you did, subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids. We're still running a competition where you can win this amazing book on how to draw animals. Realistically, all you got to do is send in your pictures to our Facebook page, and the winner will win this fantastic prize. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.